Many people tell me, ma'am, I understand English, but I don't feel confident while speaking. But the truth is, confidence is not lost because of big grammar rules. It is lost because of small, tiny English mistakes that we make every day. Let's fix those today. I have spoken to students, parents, teachers, and working professionals. All of them know some English, okay? But why do they hesitate when they talk? It is because when you keep making the same mistakes, you start doubting yourself. In today's video, we will focus on some very common mistakes that all of us make sometime or the other. And let me tell you, fixing those will actually be a boost for your confidence. Mistake number 1, saying myself. Myself Rahul, नाम तो सुना होगा. Myself Sushmita. See, you don't introduce yourself with myself. And let me tell you, this is the most common Indian mistake that people make. So how can you say this? You have to say, I am Sushmita or my name is Sushmita. See, myself is a reflexive pronoun and we don't use it to introduce ourselves. But let me tell you, this mistake doesn't mean that your English is bad. It just means that no one corrected you. So next time when you meet someone and introduce yourself, remember myself is not the correct way. Let's move on to the second mistake. Overusing the word very. I am sure all of us do that. Very good, very beautiful, very hot, very tired, very sad. See, when you constantly use the word very, your English sounds very repetitive and good speakers speak precise words. Okay, so how can you do that? Start learning some better words for these. Okay, and you can learn one word for each of the scenarios. For example, instead of saying very tired, you can say exhausted. Very happy, delighted. Very good, you can say excellent. Very beautiful, you can say gorgeous or maybe stunning. So when you use these words, instead of just using a simple adjective with the word very, it sounds very repetitive, and most importantly, it feels that you lack the vocabulary, you do not know the words, right? So remember, confident speakers will use precise words and not extra words. This way, you are not only enhancing your vocabulary, but you're sounding very smart. Now, with that, I don't mean if you say very beautiful or very tired, your English is bad. Remember, the first mantra is believe yourself. Believe that you are speaking well and you will be able to convey your feelings in a right way. But once you reach a stage, it is always important to climb the ladder, right? So please enhance yourself, work on your English, and this is actually going to bring that extra touch to your speaking skills. Moving on to the third mistake, which is very common, saying I will try. I will try to finish, I will try to come, I will try to do my best. Instead of constantly using this word I will try, replace it with simple sentences. Simply say, I'll do my best, or I will work on it, I will get it done, I will be there. Instead of using this word try all the time, use these better options that I have given it to you, right? See, your language reflects your confidence, okay? And that is what is the most important thing. Moving on to the fourth mistake is what we do is we exactly translate the Hindi version or your local language to English. So हिंदी से इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करना थोड़ा कम करना होगा. इससे आपकी इंग्लिश बहुत पॉलिश हो जाएगी. सपोज आप सोचते हो मुझे एक डाउट है और आप क्या कहते हो I am having a doubt. So instead of saying this English, you can just say I have a question or I have a query. Okay? आपने सोचा वो मेरा चचेरा भाई है और आपने कहा he is my cousin brother. But he is my cousin brother is incorrect English. You have to just say ही इज माई कजन, बिकॉज ही से पता चल रहा है कि वो भाई है. ओके, और अगर आपकी कजन इज अ फीमेल, जैसे शी इज माई कजन. तो इस तरीके से जब आप करेंगे तो ये जो डायरेक्ट ट्रांसलेशन है, यू हैव टू स्टॉप दैट. Stop translating and start thinking in simple English sentences. Mistake that we all of us sometime or the other do it is saying sorry too much. Sorry for asking, sorry for disturbing, sorry to ask you a question. This shows that you're not very confident about yourself. You can rephrase these words, you can tell it in a different way. See, being polite is good, but over apologizing shows lack of confidence. You can just say, may I ask you a question? Instead of saying, sorry, can I ask you a question? Just ask, may I ask you a question? Sorry, can I say something? Instead of saying, you can just say, I would like to add up something. See, it shows that you're polite, definitely. And second, most importantly, it shows that you're very confident about what you're trying to say. So, most important thing what you have to learn is English is not just about perfection, it is about clarity and confidence. So, if you want to speak confident English, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Here we help you to learn better, speak better, and definitely trust yourself better. Thank you so much.